We will do one fill in the blanks with must not, need not, ought not to, and dare not. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with must not, must not, need not, need not, ought not, ought not to, ought not to, and dare not, and dare not. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 words to use in the fill in the blanks. Okay. Now the first sentence I have here is the first sentence. He dash have spent so much on the party. Second, we dash interrupt interrupt the speech, interrupt the speech, the police, the police will arrest us, will arrest us. The next, third sentence, you dash have trust him. You dash have trusted him. Trusted him so much. And given him access to your private files. And the fourth one, rather was told. Rather was told. She dash worry so much about her health. About her health. And finally, the last sentence, she dash Write all the letters today only two are enough. Two are enough. Now, let's look at the filling up of must not, need not, ought not to, and dare not. The first one, he dash have spent so much on the party. He need not have. He need not have. He need not. He need not have spent so much money on the party. Second one, we dash interrupt the speed, the police will arrest us. We dare not. We dare not. We dare not interrupt the speech, the police will arrest us. And the third one, you dash have trusted him. You ought not to have trusted him so much. You ought not. Ought not. You ought not to have trusted him so much and given him access to your private files. Radha was told she must not. She must not. She must not. She must not worry so much about her health. And finally, she need not. She need not. She need not. She need not write all the letters today. Only two are enough. Two letters are enough. Okay. First one, he need not. Second, dare not. We dare not interrupt the speech, the police will arrest us. You ought not to have trusted. You ought not to have trusted him so much and given him access to your private file. Next, Radha was told she must not worry. She must not worry so much about her health. And finally, she need not write all the letters today. Only two are enough. So we have learned to fill in with the words need not, dare not, ought not to, must not, and need not. We learn to fill in the blank.